umaga po sa ating lahat. Sa lahat po ng ating mga sumusubaybay sa ating programang Manage Life Radio, maging sa ating mga estudyante sa The Late Start Investor Class at maging sa Think and Grow Rich Class. Maraming salamat po at magandang araw sa inyo at sana ma-enjoy nyo ang session natin sa umagang ito o sa araw na ito sa ating Manage Life Radio. Sa umaga po, sa araw po na ito, ang atin pong pag-uusapan is the 7 personality traits of a great leader. Hindi lang po ordinaryong leader, but great leader. Patuloy po tayong makikinig sa ating programa, sa araw-araw po nating programa sa Manage Life Radio, mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes po. No, any moment, I will be posting on your Facebook or in our page, Manage Life. Now, dito po tayo sa pag-uusapan nating the 7 personality traits, personality traits of a great leader. Una po dito sa traits po na binanggit ni Jim Rohn, which is posted last April 22, 2014. Ito po ang una niya sa listahan. Learn to be strong but not impolite. It is an extra step you must take to become powerful, capable leader with wide range of reach. Some people mistake rudeness for strength. It's not even a good substitute. Being strong po, hindi po ibig sabihin na hindi na po tayo maging polite. Pagiging strong po ay hindi po ibig sabihin na maging rude na rin tayo. No? It's not rudeness. Being strong means with regards to our decision making, we have to be strong. It is a characteristic or a trait of what we call a great leader. Not just a good leader, but a great leader. No, pag sinabi nating great leader, hindi po yan ordinaryo lang, no? It's really a good one, a great one, no? Good one or great one, ano ba talaga ang tama? Pag sinabi kasing character traits, dapat pong maintindihan ng isang estudyante na pag character traits po ang pinag-uusapan, dito po nakalagay yung buong pagkatao ng isang tao, no? Dito po makikita kung gaano siya dapat mamuhay, kung paano siya maging successful. Katulad na binanggit ko, it's a matter of discipline. No? Kung didisiplina natin yung sarili natin, ito po ang mangyayari. No? We can achieve the greater heights if we have this, what we call the kind of traits, or probably some people call it discipline. So be strong but not impolite. Number 2, learn to be kind. Kailangan aralin din natin paano maging kind but not weak. Hindi po porque mabait ang isang tao is weak na siya, no? Hindi natin pwede sabihin na dahil nga sobrang bait niya, pwede mo na lang lulukuhin. No? Hindi naman sa ganun. We have to learn to be kind. No? We must be kind enough to tell it like it is and not deal in delusion. So we must be kind enough and considerate enough to lay it on the line. Kung may mga tao man na talagang mahirap intindihin at unawain, let's be kind to them, no? Sabi nga ng kanta ni Max Urban, let's be kind to animals, no? Let's be kind, no? Learn to be kind. Kasi napag-aaralan naman po lahat ng bagay. Inaalala ko po yung isang mentor ko po, na ang pangalan is Ma'am April, no? From the Sea Org. Sinabi niya sa akin, sabi ko, ma'am, ang hirap naman po nito. Sabi niya, no, hindi lahat na pag-aaralan. Kaya ang pagiging kind po ay napag-aaralan po yan, no? Kaya kung gusto po natin na maging great leader, let's learn how to be kind. Number 3 po sa listahan dito is learn to be bold but not bully. Learn to be bold but not bully. Ano pong ibig sabihin yan? May mga tao kasi na talagang matapang sila, no? But they are not bully. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila nang aapak ng iba, no? To build your influence, you've got to walk in front of your group. You have to be bold. You have to be, to be courageous. You've got to be willing to take the first arrow, tackle the first problem, discover the first sign of trouble. Like the farmer, if you want any rewards of harvest time, you have to got to be bold and face the weeds and the rain and the bugs straight on. You've got to seize the moment. You have to be bold. Every opportunity that will be arising, you don't have to be afraid. You don't have to be discouraged. You have to be bold. Pero hindi po ibig sabihin dahil bold tayo, kailangan na rin tayong maging bully, no? Kailangan rin apakan ng iba. No, it's not that what it means. You learn to be bold but not bully. Number 4, learn to be humble but not timid. Ano ibig sabihin ng learn to be humble but not timid? Magpakumbaba, matutong magpakumbaba. Hindi po lahat ng bagay na susolusyonan sa pagmamataas, no? Pagpakumbaba po ay hindi po ibig sabihin na nasa isang sulok na lang tayo at tinatago natin ang ating sarili. Humility is a virtue. Timidity is a disease. So it's an affliction, no? Yung timidity. Pero kung titingnan natin humility, it's a virtue, no? Humility is almost a godlike word, a sense of awe, a sense of wonder, awareness of human soul and spirit, an understanding that there is something unique about the human drama versus the rest of life. Humility is grasp the distance between us and the stars, yet having the feeling that we're part of the stars. What does it mean to be humble? Simply says that you don't know everything. You have to learn something. Ang ibig po sabihin niyan ng humility is, pag meron ka nakikitang tao, you have to understand na meron siya na wala sa atin. So we have to learn something from him. We have to be humble and say, wow, ganun ba? Totoo? That's the act of humble people, no? They are always amazed on other people, no? Hindi tulad ng ibang mayabang na, kaya ko rin yan. No, hindi po ganun sila, no? They understand how to become humble. They know how to become they know how to be amazed on certain thing, no? Kaya nga binabanggit ko madalas, don't be frustrated, but be fascinated. Kung may isang tao na nagpapakita o na nagpe-perform at nakita mo talagang kakaiba, huwag ka lang sumimangot at, kaya ko yan. Be amazed, no? Because he has something that probably you don't have. Number 5 po, learn to be proud but not arrogant. We have this what we call nation pride, di po ba? Na pag sinabing Pilipino ako, binabanggit natin sa buong mundo na ang ganda ng Pilipinas, mayroong magandang mga tanawin, pero minsan hindi natin pinag-uusapan yung korupsyon, di ba? Because we have this what we call nation pride, but we are not arrogant. It takes pride to build your ambition. It takes pride in your community. It takes pride in a cause, in accomplishment. But the key to becoming a good leader is to be proud without being arrogant. Do you know the worst kind of arrogance? Arrogance from ignorance. No, it's intolerable. If someone is smart and arrogant, we can tolerate that. But if someone is ignorant and arrogant, that's just too much to take. Kung may tao na sobrang yabang tapos wala naman palang alam, nakakaasar yun. Buti sana kung matalino tapos arrogant, okay lang, no? Parang matatanggap natin. But we have to learn to be proud, not showing arrogance. Alam naman natin yung mga arrogante, di ba? Alam natin yung mga tao na proud sila pero mayabang na rin, no, kung papakinggan natin. But the proud here simply tells us that you have to value what you are doing. You have to be proud of what you are doing. Madalas kong sinasabi sa anak ko nga na, I'm proud of you, anak. But it doesn't mean that I am boasting my child to anyone. I am just proud of my anak, no? The same is true with us. We have to learn to be proud but not arrogant. Number 6 po sa listahan natin is learn to develop humor without folly. In leadership, we learn that it's okay to be witty but not silly. Fun but not foolish. Ibig pong sabihin, if we can develop humor, magpatawa naman tayo paminsan-minsan. Kasi ang buhay nga seryoso, pero hindi po ibig sabihin na wala ng katatawanan o wala ng bagay na dapat maging masaya. So learn to develop humor without folly. Last but not the least po is learn to deal in realities. Deal in truth. Save yourself from the agony of delusion. Just accept life as it is, the whole drama of life. It's fascinating. Di ba? Binanggit ko na kanina, don't be frustrated. Be fascinated. Deal the truth. Deal in truth, no? May mga pangyayari talagang totoo at kailangan nating tanggapin. Don't live in delusion. Don't live in thinking just thinking and not acting on things, no? Maging delusional na po tayo niyan. Kaya po ang challenge ko po sa atin is learn to accept the fact that life is really like that. May panahon ng tag-init, may tag-ulan, may winter, pero meron din pong spring. So ulitin ko po yung 7 personality traits of a great leader. Learn to be strong but not impolite. Learn to be kind but not weak. Learn to be bold but not bully. Learn to be humble but not timid. Learn to be proud but not arrogant. Learn to develop humor without folly. And 7, learn to deal in realities. Hanggang sa muli po, ito po si OG Solitario, challenging you. Don't just survive, but also thrive. Rich for managed life. Hanggang sa muli po, nating pagkikita o pakikinig. Paalam at God bless po sa ating lahat.